The Tech Fixr will show you how to customize the start menu in Windows 10. You can easily customize your start menu and you can give a beautiful look to your start menu. So first of all, you have to open your computer settings. Then select the personalization option. And here select start. So we are going to customize our start menu. So select here start, and now you can show more tiles on your start by enabling this option, as you can see. And to show app list in start menu, enable this option. And you can add the most used apps here by enabling this option. As you can see, the section has been created. You can show suggestions occasionally in start, enabling this option. And to make your start menu full screen, enable this option. And then whenever you open the start menu, you will see the start menu in full screen. And to change your start menu color, go to color section, and here you can enable your start menu transparency effect by enabling this option, and you will get the accent color section here. From here you can select any color for your start menu. As you can see, the color has been changed. You can also pick a custom color from here. You can also show the accent color on these following surfaces: start, taskbar and action center, tiles bars and window borders. As you can see, the color has been successfully applied. Now let's pick a different color. So that's it. Now minimize these settings panel and open the start menu, and you can resize your start menu like this. And you can also make a group by clicking on this group icon. Give here the group name. As you can see, the group has been successfully created, and this is how we can customize the start menu in Windows. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.